Hey guys, what's going on? It's Alex at HOGWORKZ, and today we are bringing you our 23.5 LED saddlebag latch cover lights. These are going to come in chrome or black, and you're going to get the option of a smoked lens or a red lens. These are going to come with a 12-pin harness for your 23.5 to 25 models, and then it's going to come with a 16-pin for the 26 plus touring models. The install between the 23.5 and 26 plus is going to be the same. The only difference is the 23.5 to 25 uses a 12-pin, where the 26 plus is going to use a 16-pin. So we're in the shop today. We got the 24 Road Glide behind us. We're going to go ahead and install our black and smoked version. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe, and let's get into the install. All right guys, so the first thing you're going to do in the install is we're going to install the harness first. So we're going to go ahead and remove our seat, the saddlebags, and the side covers. All right guys, so we're gonna install the harness here, right here on the back of the bike, just in front of the fender. And the rear connection here, the 23.5 to 25s are gonna have a 12-pin connection. The 26 pluses are gonna have a 16-pin connection here. Again, the install is the same between 23.5 to 25 and 26 plus. The only difference is the connector. So we're gonna go ahead and separate this rear connection. The HOGWORKZ harness is gonna go in between there. We got one end in here, one in here. The ends of the harnesses are going to be labeled left and right side. The left side will be your clutch, the right side will be the brake. So what we're going to do is run these wires down along the saddlebag support here. What we can do is right between here and here, between the fender and the saddlebag trim, we can get these connectors down in here. So we run it down, come out right here. Along to about this one here, and then what we'll do is run our other side. I'm going to take the connectors, go down between the fender and the trim support. Okay, bring it just like that. Now what we'll do is add a couple of zip ties, and we can zip tie it right to where the OEM harness is here. This one we're just going to leave like this, so it'll make it a little easier to get this connection. So we'll go ahead, trim off our zip ties, and then we'll tidy up the wire on the other side. Okay, so again, we'll zip tie this wire up here, and then one more right here. All right. Got that ran. After you have the harness ran, you can put your side covers back on and your saddlebags back on. You're gonna have to remove your saddlebags again to drill the hole for the wire, but for the actual installing of the LED latch cover lights, it's easier to have the saddlebags on the bike. The bike will hold the bag while you're working on the lid. If you try and do it on a table, it gets a little awkward. Okay, so we got the bags back on. Now we're going to remove the standard saddlebag latch cover and install our LED latch cover lights. The first step in removing the standard latch covers is going to be to remove this tether here. This will either be a T15 Torx or it may be a Phillips bit. So we'll take these two screws out here. Just when you remove this other one, just be careful because there's not going to be anything holding the bag. Make sure you have your hand supporting the lid. And then on the inside here, we're going to remove these three screws. Okay, now once you have that done, the latch cover is going to be loose. So you can remove it just like that. So what we need to do is we're going to end up having to drill 2 1/4-inch holes in the saddlebag. One is going to be to let the wire go inside the saddlebag. We're going to run the wire along the back side of the saddlebag like this, and then up this side. And we need to drill another hole here for the wire to exit the saddlebag and make our connection to the harness. So after you have the latch cover removed, we are going to remove the lid. This is going to be done here on the inside. Okay, and then that's going to be free. So we just need to set this off to the side for a second. We need to drill 2 holes in this. We need to drill 1 hole right here in the corner for the wire. Once we put the saddlebag latch cover on, we need to be able to get the wire through here, right, to go on the inside of the bag like this. So as you guys can see, we've already drilled our hole. Where you want the hole is right about there, right in the corner of this little cutout here. That's gonna line it up good for when the latch cover goes on. That hole is gonna be right in line with the wire. Do you want me to do like a... Ready? Yep. Just like that. We have our hole drilled. We can reinstall the lid. Okay, and we got everything tightened back up. Now we are ready to install the latch cover. The new latch cover is going to come with Phillips head screws and some washers. It'll be 3 for each latch cover. What we can do is take our wire and run it through our hole that we drilled there, like that. So what we want to make sure here is we want to line up these 3 holes with these 3 holes in the lid. Then we also want to pay attention that the hole for the lock is aligned with the lock here. So we'll go like this. Okay, it looks pretty good. All we'll do is open it with your provided screws. One trick with these is just get all 3 of them started before you tighten them all the way down. Okay, make sure they're all tight. Okay guys, so we have our LED latch cover light installed. We have our wire ran through to the inside. At this point we can reattach our tether just so it'll help hold this while we finish up our wiring. Okay, now we can just let the lid lay like that while we finish up our wiring here. You can see here we have our saddlebag liner in here. The kit's going to come with some of these zip tie stick-on holders. So what we're going to do is just peel this off. What I'm going to do is, since we do have our liner here, I'm just going to put this just a little bit lower than the liner, like right there. And then what'll happen is I'll zip tie it to there, and then it'll also be below the Velcro, so that Velcro there from your saddlebag liner, if you have saddlebag liners, will help tuck that wire down. But if not, the zip tie stick-on strips will work. Probably about in the middle of the bag, just below our Velcro strip in the back center of the bag. And I'm just going to kind of leave these zip ties loose in case we need to pull some more wire inside the bag when we go to tidy everything up. This last one here, you can see our harness here. So you can see where our connection's at here. Really guys, you can drill, you know, the hole anywhere in here. You could also drill it right underneath the saddlebag screw. So I think we'll put one, let's do this. And this is why we install the harness first, because now you have an idea of where you need to drill your hole at. Again, I'm just kind of leaving these zip ties loose for now. Okay, so that's like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and in front of the saddlebag screw, I'm gonna drill a hole right about here, right underneath our Velcro strip. And then again, when that comes out the other side, you know, you're gonna be right here for your connection to your harness. So we'll pull the saddlebag off. I've got an idea of where I wanna drill my hole at. If you want to, you could take a mark and mark it right about here. We'll pull the saddlebag off, we'll drill the hole, stick the wire through. All right, so with a 1/4 inch drill bit, I could see my mark here on the inside and measured down on the outside here. One little trick you can do is put a little bit of painter's tape on the side that you're drilling into. It'll help from cracking the paint. This is gonna be such a small hole and you're not gonna see it anyways, but if you want to, you can do that. So you got your hole drilled now. Peel your tape off here. And then what we can do is finish running our wire through that hole. Just like that. Okay guys, one of the last things we have to do here is we have to pin our JAE connector on the end of our wire. The reason we have to do this is because to avoid drilling a huge hole to fit this connector through your bag, we decided to leave this unplugged so you can just do a 1/4 inch hole in there. So we're gonna go ahead and pin this now. What you wanna pay attention to is the JAE connector. This part right here is what we call the clip. The clip needs to be facing upward, and then on your wires, there is a little clip, this here, we call it a tang. That needs to be facing upwards, and then you have the JE connector with the clip part facing upwards, and then down the line this is going to be pin 1, pin 2, pin 3, pin 4. So in number 1, you want the yellow wire, the tang facing up. All you got to do from the back side of the connection, push the wire through, and then you'll hear it click. Just give it a little tug and make sure it's in there. Okay, now if for some reason you mispinned these and you need to get them out, you can simply take a clothespin like this on the inside from the front. That tang goes in a little plastic clip. So if you push this down and then you go inside this little thing, there's a little plastic clip right here. It's about at the bottom of that square. If you go in, you pull up on that, you can pull the wire out, back out. Like that. So the little clip I'm talking about is right there. So if you do mispin it, you can, no worries, you can always pull the wire back out. Yellow wire, pin 1, tang up, push it through the back of the connector. You'll hear it click. Give it a tug, make sure it's in there good. Pin 2 is going to be the black wire. Again, make sure you have the tang part facing upwards, the back of the connector. Then you'll feel it click. Pin 3 is going to be the red wire. Push it in, hear it click. And then the 4th pin is going to be the white wire. Okay. Everything's good. It's got this little shrink wrap sleeve you can slide up and around to the end of the connection just like that. So now you have everything pinned, we can go ahead, take this back over to the bike and reinstall our saddlebag and make our connection to the wire harness. And then while it's just kind of resting here, we can make our connection. On the harness, you're going to notice that there's 2 plugs. One is going to be for your LED latch covers. The other plug is if you buy our Slim's saddlebag lights for the back of your saddlebags. So if you do end up buying the saddlebag lights, you won't have to run this harness. You'll just simply plug them into this other connection, which we'll show you here in a minute. So we'll go ahead, make this connection here. Here now is where I was saying, if you leave this stuff, your zip ties kind of loose, you know, if you got some extra wire you want to pull back into the bag before you zip tie all these up, you can do that, which I think we're going to just pull a little bit of wire back in the bag. So we'll go ahead and install the saddlebag. We did pull some wire through on the inside just so there's not so much hanging there. So we'll go ahead and do that. Here now we can tighten up our zip ties and cut off the excess. Okay guys, so we're gonna kind of speed through the other side. You know, if you do need some more detail on doing this, just refer back to the beginning of the video. So yeah, we'll jump to the other side, get that wrapped up, and show you guys what they look like all finished up. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and pin the other side here. Again, you guys can do this on the bike or off the bike, whatever makes more sense to you. We did that one off the bike so we could show you drilling the hole and whatnot. This one here, we just ended up drilling the hole before, so we could just leave the bag on throughout the install. We have the clip facing upwards. We have our connector tang facing up. Yellow wire, pin 1. Push all the way through to hear it click. Same thing here. Black wire, pin 2, and then number 3 is going to be the red wire, and then number 4 is going to be the white. Push your little shrink wrap piece up around here. We got our harness here. Go ahead and make our connection. That. Then at this point, I think I will pull just a little bit of wire back through the bag. So we end up with something like that. Tuck your extra wire down in the bag. Tidy everything up. All right guys, so we got the bike all buttoned back up. We'll go ahead and check our lights. So we got running, we got brake, left turn, right turn. All right guys, so one other thing I want to mention is on the harness, there's 2 spare JAE plugs on there. What that's going to be for is our Slim's LED saddlebag lights. So if you already bought our Slim's saddlebag lights, you're not going to need to run a 12-pin harness back. If you already bought our latch cover lights, same thing. You're not gonna need to run the harness all the way to the back, the 12-pin harness. All you'll have to do is stick your light on the bag, install your light, come up here to your connection, and plug them in. Just like that. I have a little zip tie holding this in. Check them out, hogworks.com. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you guys on the next one.